This is how you manage all your projects and clients in one screen, in one app that is actually free. Hello guys, Pan here, and today I have a productivity video for all your business needs. If you're a consultant, if you're an HR leader, if you're any kind of business to business service provider, then this video is for you. If you have more than 3 or 4 clients, then you will need to manage them using a productivity tool like Trello. Trello is one of the best tools to use because it is extremely simple, extremely accessible, and it is free. There is of course a paid version as well, but what I will show today can be done perfectly using the free version. So the first step, go to Trello.com and download the app on your laptop. It's Mac or Windows, or if you have a tablet, or if you want to download it on your phone and so on, or you can just use the web version. Just go there, create an account. The steps are really simple and self-explanatory, and then you will come to a place where you can see something like this. You will need to create a new board by clicking this button here. Just choose the board title, okay, and leave the visibility to workspace, and just create an empty board. You will see nothing here. All you have to do is click here and create those charts or columns where you can have, the first column will be for your SOPs. So for example, you could have my onboarding questionnaire template here, the follow-up templates, VPN access details for my team if they want to access a customer account using VPN, some templates and so on. Everything that can be used and reused, a process, a template, you can place it here. And then you create one column, okay, for every client. So for example, I have 2 sample columns here. One is named client 1 and the other one is named client 2. Let's create one more. Let's name it John. Okay, so we'll have John Smith is our new client. Okay, and here I can create randomly several cards, several boxes that will include information about the client and so on, but I like to keep it in a structured way like this. I have a card named info, which I can create every time. Here I just place the general information about the client, like onboarding data, customer profile, website, phone, whatever. So, or I link the documents that are about general information about my client. And then once I'm done with this, I have a card about the onboarding tasks. Usually when a client comes in, you need to perform a series of onboarding tasks in order to launch the client, right? So in order to do that, you will need to have some standard procedures, some standard tasks that you need to undertake. So if those tasks are repeated and they are the same most of the times, all you have to do is create a new checklist, okay, by clicking this, and you will type all the tasks here that will appear as tasks, okay? And once you're done, you will click to make it a template. And once you make this a template, okay, anytime you have the option to create a new card, you can click this small icon here and choose one of the templates that you previously saved. So all I have to do is to click on the option, the icon first, and then one of the options. I already did it once, so I'm choosing this and then create card. And what happens, it will populate all the tasks that exist every time for every new project or every new client. Okay, so you know those tasks about your client. These are the tasks that you do once when the client first joins your program, your services, or whatever you're offering. Okay, so for example, for us, we're registering the domains, we're setting up the domain records, we set it up the Google Workspace, whatever. So everything happens here. So if you want to assign this task, you can choose a member out of this list here. So you can assign, I will assign it to myself. Okay. Now, whoever is assigned those tasks will be able to view the tasks from his own. If you filter, for example, card assigned to me, you can see which cards and tasks are assigned to a specific person. So another thing that is quite handy is, let's say we have campaigns, okay? I can place like the document where we prepare the campaigns or the list that we're going to use for the campaign, but also we can use labels to organize and tag each of the cards. So for example, this is, let's say, an email campaign, okay? And then it is currently preparing and it is high priority. This way, and I also assign this to myself, and I also set a deadline that I need to complete this by today 3:40 p.m. Okay, so you see that it already appears as overdue. Now, once you launch the board, you can filter and see which tasks are overdue, so you can know what is urgent, or you can see what tasks are high priority, and you can see those, you can filter out those that are relevant to the tag or label you have chosen here. So this is pretty much how you can manage all your clients in a single screen. You can of course make it a bit complicated, but you know that complexity is the enemy of execution. So what I suggest is to keep it simple. I believe this is one of the most simple and practical ways of managing multiple projects and clients in a single screen. You can also download this on your phone. You can just use it and check the tasks on the go and everything. You can assign tasks between your team, and you can prepare some templates where you can reuse across the board. Thank you very much for watching, and follow for more.